Number 1, the ratios of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 5 to 13 to 2. Find the measures of the angles. So I drew a quick sketch of a triangle. This is definitely not to scale. So if they say the ratios are 5 to 13 to 2, you could think of it like for every 5 degrees for one angle, the other is 13 degrees, and the other is 2 degrees. But obviously if you add 13, 5, and 2 together, that would not equal 180. So we have to figure out how to make these angles larger so that they do add to 180, but the ratio needs to stay the same. So in other words, we need to multiply all three of these by the same number, we'll call that number x, to make them larger so that the ratio does still stay the same. So now we can create an equation, 5x plus 13x, add all three angles, plus 2x, and the angles always add to 180. So from here we combine like terms. 5 and 13 give us 18, plus 2 more gives us 20x's. So 20x equals 180. So to solve, we divide both sides by 20. Remember, when you have zeros on top of each other in a fraction, you can cross them out. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. So that's a fixed amount we're going to multiply all three of these angles by. So it says find the measure of all the angles. So for the first one, doesn't matter which one you choose, for 5x. So 5 times 9, since x was 9, that would be 45. So one of the angles is 45 degrees. The next one, we'll look at the 13x. So 13, when I plug in 9, 13 times 9 is 117. So the second one is 117 degrees. And then the last one, the 2x, so 2 times 9, that would give us 18 degrees. And remember, you can always check your answer by adding all of three of these angles, 117 plus 18 plus 45, and you should get back to 180.